Hey guys, today I'm going to do an assembly of the MOC V8 engine block. Thanks to EngineDIYShop for providing it, and let's get started. So, first I had to scan a QR code and download the instruction manual for the MOC engine assembly. There are 945 parts to put together, and hopefully I will get the engine working. In case you didn't know, this engine is made to represent the real V8 engine. Many people think it is just a model made from bricks, but actually all the parts are movable and functional. There were a few problems and issues that I had, so keep watching to see the complete process and end result. So here you can see that all 8 cylinders are moving smoothly, so we can continue with assembly. As you can see until now, everything has gone smoothly. I connected the valves to the block, and it seems that all parts are moving fine for now. So here I got into my first problem, but it was because I did not place the chain belt correctly. Also, I had to fix one of the valves because I did not position it well. But at the end, I finally made it work, and it was amazing. If you like this brick engine, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications if you enjoyed the video. Take care, and thank you for watching.